MF Travels presents Room Tour.
Marbrisa Grand Vacation. Got to check in. Alright, we're here at Carlsbad. Go check out 6824A. Welcome to our crib here at Carlsbad. This is the Marbrisa Hotel. This is the kitchen. Pretty cool. What's over here? Oh, this is the actual his and hers bathroom. There I am. And wow, look how deep this is. This is straight to the bedroom. We got the TV here. And this is the balcony. Say hi. Oh, look at that pool. Overlooking the pool. There's supposed to be a foosball table here. It's around almost 6 o'clock here. This is Michaela.
Hi, this is the living room where you can have a lot of drinks and maybe a snack.
Cool.
And watch on the TV, of course.
This is the living room and the dining table, and they do have a TV. That was it. That's our crib. And we'll see you on the next one. Comment down below if you have any questions. Peace out.
Book your vacay with me, MF Travels.